This is a what's in the box video for welcome to, or it's, I guess, welcome to your perfect home. A roll and write game, or a draw and write game, draw cards, for 1 to 100, or probably even more than 100 players you could play with. So let's take a look. Here's the rules. Looks, I played the game before. It's not too complex. It is one of your more complex roll and writes. We have the score pad, which takes up most of the box. I think there's 100 pads that come with it that are all the same, or I guess your player board more. You could probably laminate some. Don't know what these are. Oh, these are summary cards, so it shows you what you can and cannot do. That's new in this edition. And then the decks of the cards. So basically what's going to happen is there's going to be random objectives that come out per game to make things different, more different than just shuffling the decks. And then you're going to have these decks of cards which have a number, and then they have special things on them. And you'll basically, each card that comes out, you'll have to cross, or you have to put a number on your block in ascending order, so lowest to highest, and you can do other things based on those cards. There's some other special scoring stuff down here, and then obviously at the end you total up your score and whoever has the most wins. So there you have it. That is what's in the box for Welcome to Your Perfect Home. If you enjoyed this video, please like and please subscribe.